Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making rosemary and cloves oil. When it comes to hair growth, you can never overemphasize the importance of rosemary and cloves. First, cloves is one very important ingredient that we should never ever neglect in our hair regimen. You should always use cloves because cloves makes your hair full, it helps with dandruff, and it also gives your hair that shine, makes it really full and fluffy. So here, this is my blended cloves. I blended it because I'm going to get more of it with the powder than with the seeds. And then rosemary, as we all know, it has a moisturizing properties. It keeps your hair moisturized, it keeps your hair shiny. It also helps with thinning and gray hairs, and also this combination is usually very good for your hair. So with me here, I have my coconut oil. That's the carrier oil I'm going to be using. I'm going to be adding rosemary into my oil, and then I will now add my blended cloves. One thing about oil is that most of you use oil just for your scalp, and that's not the best way to use oil. Use oil for your scalp and then for the tips of your hair. So I'm going to be shaking this mixture together. I will shake it so that it will mix well. Then I'll be leaving this for 4 weeks. Why 4 weeks? Because you're going to get more results if you leave this rosemary and cloves to soak together for a very long time. Like, you are going to get everything, every nutrient out of these cloves and rosemary. So I'm going to be leaving it covered like this for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, then I'll just strain it and our oil is ready. And please, if you have this already, always use the oil on your hair tips. Always use the hair on your hair tips, not only in your scalp. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Bye.